Alright, yes sir, Rise and Grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. This video, we're working with a 2014 Volkswagen TIGUAN, whatever, however you pronounce that. Working on the rear ABS sensors and wheel bearings.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Alright, we got the wheel off. We're gonna go ahead and work on the caliper. Taking off the caliper, brake caliper, the bracket, rotor. Let's get it. Got two bolts here. We got two 13 mils. The caliper off, swing it back. I did these this brake job last time, and that's the results of that caliper. That's why the calipers are recommended. All right, we got two of these bolts here, one at the top and one at the bottom. That's holding the caliper on. I'll show you what we need for that special tool. And that is a T14. That's what we got. Alright, that's the two bolts holding there. Like that. Alright. Take off. I almost forgot we got a Torx bolt. And T30. Let's just go get that out. Rotor off. That's what we got. And that is the wheel bearing. We got two bolts here. Gotta get to. And the other two at the bottom. I'll show you what we're looking like. That's what we're looking like. Those two bolt holes. 4 in total. Gotta hit this axle nut before we can work on the bolts. All right, we got a 24 millimeter 12-point socket. Get that off. Let me show you my setup. All right, so I had to keep the hub from spinning because even with my impact, it's starting to make it go dead. It's basically too tight. So what I did was to keep it from spinning. You see, I got it in. Put the extension in there. Held it. It won't move. It won't move. So now, still tough, but I already broke it loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and work on that. All right, I'm out here. I had to bring this thing outside because that area, those little carports, is too dark for me. I don't like it. It's like shops. Mess with my eyes. All right. So now what we got next is this bolt here. Oh, this tool. It's a M12, 12 millimeter, 12 point. And that's it. So we working with the 12 mil. this is how I'm getting it out. You can see we connected. We got our bolts and twist it off. I'm gonna do all of them that way. You can hit it with the impact as well. That'll work. All right, all the bolts out. Now we can go ahead and knock this wheel bearing off. Get a hammer. And that is it. And this thing is pretty. It don't have a smooth turn. It's kind of grinding. And that's where the sensor is making its contact. So, alright, before installing, you want to get some bearing grease. Put on that axle. Where the threads are, you see how it gets rusted. It can seize on there, so you don't want that to happen. Put that on. And that's it. Got all our bolts in there. And we got a smooth turn. It's not grinding no more. And that's gonna be it. Put it back together. 404-343-9997. Man, appointments are available. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Until next time, the Pull Up King.